Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Crosshair 16HX Monster Hunter Edition gaming notebook. So friend, MSI and Capcom celebrated the 20th anniversary of the Monster Hunter series by launching the Crosshair 16HX Monster Hunter Edition gaming notebook. And it features a design inspired by the iconic Monster Hunter series, complete with an engraving of the famous monster Rathalos on the lid, and the notebook also showcasing a special golden icon commemorating the 20th anniversary of the collaboration between MSI and Monster Hunter. So friend, this edition is designed to meet the needs of both gaming enthusiasts and professional gamers, and it is equipped with a 16-inch WQXGA non-glare display offering a high refresh rate of 240 Hz for smooth visual and enhanced gaming performance. Powering the device's Intel Core i7-14700HX processor coupled with a GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU with 8GB DDR6, providing substantial power for demanding games and software applications. Memory specification include 32GB of DDR5 RAM and 1TB M.2 SSD for quick data access and ample storage. The gaming notebook also features a 9,20,000 pixel webcam, stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 6E Gigabit Ethernet LAN, and Bluetooth 5.3. Ports include USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, HDMI port, audio combo jack, facilitating a variety of peripheral devices and external displays. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.